Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. So how to calculate area of a triangle using Heron's formula? So this is a triangle which contains three sides A, B and C. According to Heron's formula, first we have to find the semi-perimeter. So variable S is for semi-perimeter. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. You have to add 3 sides and divided by 2. So I am appending the semi-perimeter. To find an area equal to square root of S multiplied with S minus A multiplied with S minus B multiplied with S minus C. So S multiplied with S minus A multiplied with S minus B multiplied with S minus C. What is ABC? ABC are the three sides. So this is the way we have to obtain the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. For this, we will write a Python program. The first step, import math. I am importing the math module. From the math module, I am going to use the function sqrt function to calculate the square root. Next step, the variable a, comma b, comma c equal to input of enter the three sides. Dot split. Input function used to obtain the input from the user. It will display the message, enter the three sides to the user. And split function, what the split function will do, it will split the entered values by using the white space and store the value. That means the three value entered by the user respectively, the variable A, B and C. The input function, it will display the message entered, that is enter the three sides and obtain the input from the user. The split function used to split the input by using white space. Here the user will enter three values, first value space, second value space, third value, that gets splitted by using the split function. The first value will get stored in A, second value will get stored in B, third value will get stored in C. So the input function return all the three values as a string. So before we performing the arithmetic operation, we have to convert it into an appropriate data type. For example, if we enter an integer, it should be an integer. If we enter a float, it should be a float. So for this, I am writing A equal to eval of A. So my value A is a string because input function will return a string. A, B and C both are string. I am converting it into a numeric type. So for this I am using eval function. Eval function will convert the string which is stored in the variable A into appropriate numeric data type. That means if we enter 10 means and the 10 will get stored in A. Next value 20 will get stored in B. Next value 30 will get stored in C. So both A, B and C, even though they are in numbers, they are in the data type string. To convert it into a numeric data type, we have to use the eval function. If the value stored in A is a string, it represents an integer. That means 27 is a string. Then eval will convert it into integer. If I am entering 27.5 and 30.5 and 40.5, they will store in ABC respectively, but they are string. To convert it into appropriate an integer numeric type, we have to use the eval function. If A is 27.5, the string, after passing eval function, it is converted into a float and stored in the variable A. Likewise, B equal to eval of B, C equal to eval of C. Now, the ABC, the string values stored in the ABC are converted into appropriate data type that is stored in the A, B and C. Now, we have to find the semi-perimeter S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now, obtaining the semi-perimeter. Now, to calculate an area equal to math module. From the math module, I am accessing SQRT is a function which calculates the square root of the value which is passed inside it. SQRT of the value S multiplied with S minus A multiplied with S minus B multiplied with S minus C. Now I am closing the SQRT function. So math module is having SQRT function. Here I am passing a value semi-perimeter S, which is A plus B plus C by 2. So here S into S minus A. The value of A is subtracted from S multiplied with S minus B multiplied with S minus C. Thus this expression will get calculated, and for this outcome of this expression, the SQRT will get calculated, that is stored in the variable area. Next I am printing the result. Print area is a string. Now area called is a string, comma, I am passing the variable area, the value stored in the area will get printed, comma, so units, this is the measurements. So area equal to the value stored in the area followed by the string, units will get printed. Now we will take a sample input and check how this program works and what will be the output. Now I am entering 3 values. So here entering 3 values, that is 17, 23 and 30. Okay. So that means A equal to 17, B equal to 23 and C equal to 30. Semi-perimeter S, which is equal to 17 plus 23 plus 30 divided by 2. S equal to 23 plus 17 is 40. 40 plus 30 equal to 70. 70 divided by 2, which is equal to 35. My semi-perimeter is 35. Now I am calculating the area. Area equal to square root of 35 multiplied with S minus A. 35 minus 17 multiplied with S minus B. 35 minus 23 multiplied with S minus C, 35 minus 30. Here, I am continuing here. Area equal to square root of, so 35 multiplied with 35 minus 17 is 18, multiplied with 35 minus 23 is 12, multiplied with 35 minus 30, which is 5. So when you multiply 35 into 18 into 12 into 5, this will give the value 37800. When you take the square root to the 37800, it will give the value 194.422. So my output is 194.422 units is my output. The square root of 37800, which gives 194.422. So my output is 194.422 units. That's it. We have discussed the Heron's formula, how to calculate semi-perimeter and how to calculate the area, and we have discussed the Python program, how to write a Python program to calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.